Hello everyone, I'm Sandra with Balloon Classes USA, and today I'm here to let you know our next hands-on class is coming soon. It will be August. Yes, it's very close. A lot of people asking about how they can pay for the class, and I'd like to announce we're gonna use the PayPal credit to help you guys to participate in. Yes, the only thing you need to do, go to the PayPal, apply for PayPal credit. If you don't have an account there, you can open an account. It's completely free. If you are approved by PayPal credit, you're gonna have the opportunity to spread the payments up to 6 months with no interest. It's unbelievable, right? Apply today for the PayPal credit. Check it out if you're approved, and then take the opportunity for, if the PayPal credit isn't work for you, no worries. The other option we can offer to you, it is you can pay a deposit today and guarantee your spot for August, and then you have up to the first day of the class to pay the balance with no stress. And I hope to see you there.